Did you know the Amish can keep homemade bread fresh for up to a week without a freezer or fridge? No preservatives, no plastic wrap, no electricity, just a simple, brilliant trick passed down for generations. Let's walk into an Amish kitchen and uncover the secret. Let's face it, store-bought bread goes stale in a day. Homemade bread, even faster. That's because without artificial preservatives, natural bread loses moisture quickly, or worse, grows mold. Most people toss it in the freezer, which changes the texture and taste. But the Amish? They do something different. And it starts with the way they bake, cool, and store. Here's the trick: ceramic and cloth. After baking, Amish bread is cooled completely on wooden racks, not metal trays, to prevent condensation. Then, the loaf is wrapped tightly in a clean linen cloth, never plastic, to allow the bread to breathe. Finally, it's placed inside a ceramic bread crock or clay pot with a lid. No air, no light, no moisture. And just like that, bread stays soft for up to 7 days, naturally. This isn't a gimmick, it's pure science. Cloth allows airflow, which prevents mold. Ceramic maintains a stable, cool temperature, even in the summer. And by avoiding plastic, they reduce moisture buildup, the real culprit behind soggy or moldy bread. It's like creating a natural bread humidor, a perfect little world where your loaf stays just right. The Amish also bake in small batches and use stone-ground flour, which has a different moisture profile. They never slice the whole loaf at once, only what they need. Some even add a slice of apple or celery to the crock to retain just enough humidity without causing spoilage, and if any bread does start to harden, it's reused for French toast, bread pudding, or toasted with butter and jam. You don't need to live off-grid to use this trick. Just get a ceramic or terracotta bread keeper, wrap your loaf in cloth, and store it in a cool, dry pantry. Avoid plastic. Skip the fridge. You'll be amazed how soft and fresh your bread stays. No freezing required. We waste billions of loaves of bread every year, but the Amish don't waste food, they respect it. This method is about more than saving bread. It's about living mindfully, reducing waste, and embracing simpler habits that actually work. So the next time you pull a fresh loaf from the oven, try this Amish trick. It costs nothing, and could change how you store bread forever. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever used a clay pot or cloth to store bread? Give this video a thumbs up if you love practical food hacks. And don't forget to subscribe for more timeless wisdom from the Amish way of life.